Hello everyone. Let's talk about upgrading your desktop's power supply. Specifically, we're looking at the BestParts 700W power supply, a replacement option designed for several HP models, including the Z2 G4 and G5, the EliteDesk 800 and 880 G3 and G4, and even the Victus 15L. If you're experiencing power issues, planning a graphics card upgrade, or simply need a more robust PSU, this could be a solid choice. The BestParts unit is designed as a drop-in replacement, meaning it should fit seamlessly into the specified HP desktops without requiring any modifications. Its dimensions are 6.5 by 5.5 by 2.8 inches. The 700W maximum power output is a significant step up for many of these systems, providing ample headroom for more demanding components. This is particularly relevant if you're considering adding a higher-end graphics card or other power-hungry peripherals. Compatibility is key, and this power supply is designed to work with specific HP models. The compatible part numbers L80662-002, D19-700P1A, and M09027-003 are crucial to verify before purchasing. Double-checking these numbers against your existing power supply or your computer's documentation will ensure a proper fit and functionality. The package includes only the power supply itself, so make sure you retain all necessary cables from your old unit. Installation should be straightforward, but always exercise caution when working with computer hardware and ensure the system is completely powered off before beginning any work. While it's a third-party replacement, the BestParts 700W power supply offers a cost-effective way to boost your HP desktop's power capabilities. Just remember to confirm compatibility before you buy.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.